Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
50-year-old Shelly Calderon was in court in Clark County this week, facing charges of theft and exploitation of an older or vulnerable person. This stems from the $13 million estate of Ralph and Betty McKnight. The McKnights purchased the 138-acre Binion Ranch here in Pahrump on Wilson Road in 2016 for about $1 million. Since then, Ralph McKnight has passed away, and Betty reportedly has diminished mental capacity and is in a nursing home. The McKnights were married for over 65 years and had adopted a son by the name of John Cantu, who was the sole beneficiary to the McKnights' fortune. The Clark County District Attorney alleges that Calderon took advantage of the McKnights when she was an insurance agent here in Pahrump for Shelter Insurance. They say that she oversaw the amendment of the McKnights' estate planning documents and that she changed him to her favor. These documents had allegedly been in place for decades. Prosecutors also say that Calderon liquidated a pair of insurance policies worth more than $250,000 that belonged to the McKnights. They even say that Calderon later used one of Betty McKnight's credit cards to pay a $25,000 attorney fee in the summer of 2017 while authorities were investigating her for this alleged crime. In August of that year, Calderon, they say, used more than $1 million from a trust that she had set up called Oakmont West to buy a home and 100 acres of land in Texas. Since then, John Cantu and his son have been removed from all of the wills and trusts, and the Binion Property's main house has been demolished. The indictment alleges that between December 2016 and April of 2017, Calderon transferred assets worth about $12.7 million and $13.4 million from what was known as the McKnights 1998 Trust into Oakmont West Trust. The indictment also alleges that between December of 2016 and April 2017, Calderon transferred assets worth between $12.7 million and $13.4 million from what was known as the McKnights 1998 Trust into Oakmont West 2016 Trust, which is owned by Calderon. Las Vegas Metro reports that investigators found that Calderon exploited the elderly couple prior to becoming their power of attorney and trust beneficiary. According to the Las Vegas Review-Journal, Shelly Calderon's attorney says that she will be found not guilty in this case. She is due back in court in May.